Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be finally unboxing all the gifts that I got for my graduation. I just wanted to say to my loved ones, thank you so much for the love and support that y'all have poured into me. My family literally flew in from different states to come celebrate with me, and we had family and friends that we have created as a community here in the city that I'm in, who came in and had a good time, and we ate good food, and they also got me amazing gifts. Now, I said to people, just get me money, guys. That's all I want. And I feel like people came through, they showed up and showed out. Thank you so much for that. Y'all are definitely the real ones. To my parents, thank you so much. This master's degree really and truly is for you, especially my dad. You've been my ride or die for many years. You saved my life so many times. I honestly would not be the woman that I am today if it were not for you, for pouring love and support into me. Thank you so much, Diddy. I really love you. And to Mami, thank you so much for pushing me to be the best version of myself. Thank you for pouring love into me and for being so supportive and for always, saying, Tati, hey, how about we try this in such a loving manner. I really love you and I appreciate you. So, thank you so much, everybody. I love you all, my uncles, my aunties, my cousins. I did for you, for real. My daughter, you are my joy. You've been so amazing. You give me so much purpose. I love you. Continue to grow well. Let us unbox these gifts, child, because life has been rocking me, okay? But today, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I already opened most of these up just to see what's in there. Not most of them, but some of them. For example, this, I know this for sure is from Ritu. Thank you so much. This is my sister. She always tells this funny story about how she went to some event with my mom, and then someone walked up to them and then they were like, oh, and then they looked at my mom and they're like, is this your daughter? And then they just looked at each other and they were like, yeah. So yeah, love you so much, Ritu. This is such a beautiful gift. I really appreciate it. Look at that. Get into this detail, baby. Period. I already know the exact outfits I'm gonna be wearing with this. Thank you so much, Ritu. This is her brand, by the way. So get into it. Go on to www.namaste.nyc.com. Oh, thank you so much. It says that irregularities are characteristics of handmade products, fairly traded, handcrafted in India. Thank you, Ritu. I really love these. I already know the outfit that I'm gonna rock. The dress. Oof. Prepare to be sick of me, you guys. Like, my family and friends just get me. Also came with a card. Man! You see? This is why I love my family and friends, because y'all just get it. Okay, I need to stop making noise, but I love opening up the card and I see Dengi. Nyafuna Dengi. Nyaitanda imali, guys. Hey, how many languages did I speak to you? How many? Oh, this is so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. Oh, you are loved. My name literally means to be loved. Sorry if you hear eating and chewing. I am watching my friends' pets right now. They're so cute, but yeah, so sorry. So sorry about that. But yeah, this says loved. Romans 5 verse 8. Thank you. This is so sweet. I've been wanting to get in. It's fall now. I've been wanting to get into like really delicious sweet treats and like mixed drinks. So definitely going to be drinking my matcha out of that. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Also comes with a glass straw, period, because we love, yes, perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. This is so perfect. Thank you. Guys, y'all are just brains, booty, and a diploma. Yes! Man! Abdullah, thank you so much. Abdullah actually got me money too, guys. Abdullah and Renee, y'all are so love y'all. Love y'all done. everybody just got it. Like, I'm so happy right now. I was feeling kind of low because I'm in my luteal phase now. I was feeling kind of low, But honestly, I was like, get into these gifts, baby. You need to. And now I feel good. Thank you so much, everybody. Yeah! Oh, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Guys, I am literally just like in cloud 500 right now. Y'all just get it. Y'all just get it. Okay, like, I need to do thank you cards now, for real, because it's been weeks. I'm so sorry, everybody. I've just been so out of it. But yeah, let's put all our beautiful cards on one side and then the envelopes on one side. I love the cards. They're so thoughtful and so pretty. Y'all, I love this one. So cute. Guys, I really did work my tassel off. Thank you so much. Yes, period. That's on that educated black bag. Period. Way to make your dreams come true. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. I literally posted about this like weeks ago, and it's just so beautiful to me that you all remembered that. That's all I wanted. Just gift cards and money. I'm trying so hard not to cry. Thank you all so much. This is the card that came with Ritu's gift. My ears itch when I'm like feeling grateful or loved, or when I'm eating or drinking something very delicious. So yeah, right on cue, right on brand. I said I want to cry. Thank you. I really did work so hard. I ended up crying and I didn't say my speech at my graduation party, but y'all are just so amazing. This is so pretty. Mommy. Oh my god, these are my parents' friends. I'm sorry. I did not need to get emotional. I got myself and my daughter some tickets to the Soweto choir. They're coming to perform at the lead. This is from my mentor, Dr. B. My mentors and my academic advisors, Dr. Corey and Dr. B, saw me at my lowest, guys. Like I'm talking, I was in the trenches, could not even get out of bed sometimes. And they would call. I know they're so busy, like outside of just like their personal lives are very busy, and then when they come to work, they're part of so many organizations, they work with so many students, so many departments, but they still took time. Yo, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I said I would not cry. Gangsters don't cry. Dr. B also gave me this book that literally changed my life. She was like, Tandi, bring back my books. I actually need to take them back. I'm sorry, Dr. B. I will bring back your books. Actually, I should also buy myself like copies of these. The 4 Agreements literally changed my life. What an amazing book. I could not put it down. And then this one was part of our internship assignments, but she also gave it to me to read because she just gave us as a class like a page or 2 to read from it, but she gave me the entire book. And guys, when I tell you this was really helpful, get into this book. So important. It teaches you the language, how to hold yourself, even creating your resume, creating networks. Such a good book. Let us go ahead and thank you, Dr. Brandy. Oh, this is for my diploma. This is beautiful. I definitely will be putting my diploma in here. Thank you, Dr. B. What an amazing group of people who just pour love into me. I'm so grateful for every single one of y'all. This is from Danny and the Mukushas, I believe. This was a set and it also came with the purse. So these are some pens, thank you. And I also got a 2026 journal. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. I love it. And also lipstick, period. Oh, thank you so much. I already opened this one. It's a check. Period. Guys. Yeah. My tabasa, guys. Goge Sekuru, thank you so much. They got me gift cards that I've already used. Thank you. Oh my god. Guys. Yeah. From dream to degree, you made it happen. Period. And I did. Thank you so much. Oh, Memory. Thank you. She's my hairstylist. She's the best. Like, she always gets it done. Congratulations. Oh, I know, my little cousin. Thank you. This is so sweet. Oh, 2 degrees down and you done it as a whole mom. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, you're that girl. I know the journey probably wasn't easy, but hear from me. You're a big inspiration. Oh, I said I want to cry. Thank you so much. And this marks the end of my video. I'm so sorry. I was so emotional, but guys, how can I not be emotional when so much love is being poured into me? Like, what? And everybody was so thoughtful enough to get me exactly what I wanted. You guys are amazing. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sometimes goofy just so I don't cry. But yeah. I'm down. Thank you guys so much. May God bless you, Madam Komborere. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you. This marks the end of my video. I'm gonna go continue to cry and just revel in this, that I did it, and I've got a whole tribe behind me, ahead of me, beside me. Thank you.